I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's see. We have this Jetta SportWagen TDI. It's near the end of life. But on this Jetta, the seat is all fucked up. And I believe these seats are interchangeable, even though they're really technically a completely different car. I think the seats are interchangeable. This one's just barely started cracking right here, where the other one is totally fucked. So I'm going to see what goes on. See if we can swap them around. Not too much else from this car can be used. I was able to do it, but it was annoying because you have to put a different plug for the airbag. I haven't done it yet. And you have to hardwire that control for the power recline. But it does fit. So that's easy. As long as you can figure out how to have 12-volt power to the seat.